Alright, we're back. Just had to change memory cards there. I was running low on power. We're about to enter a big bass area here. I seen the guy he lost a nice one here last night, and I caught a nice one down a little bit farther. We'll troll for a bit more, and then pull in the lines and see if we can hook up with something. Usually this should be loaded. Should be. This little shoal area kind of makes a point, and then it opens up. It's a big area, then it just kind of closes off, sort of like an island, but not quite that pronounced. In the fall, or not the fall, but I guess the fall and the early spring, when there's a lot of water, either from the ice melting or new spring rain. You can't even see the tops of these rocks, but you just enter like a really nice shallow area, about 4 to 5 feet, and it's really nice for catching some nice bass. I caught 5 or 6 nice ones just in a row. Just right here, without even moving spots. So it is a really good spot. But I find now it's not as good as it was. Gotta get here early spring. That's when you get her. Hit it hard. Hit those shoals hard, because that's where the fish are. Shoals and flats in this, especially in the spring when they're spawning. Whoa. Nice one. Oh, nice fish here, folks. I'll loosen my drag a little bit. I don't think he's that big. Oh, he's that big. Oh no! Oh, he just flipped off. Shoot. It wasn't huge, but pretty decent. Now my drag set way down. I usually let him take out a little line. It sometimes can be fun. Just figure, why not? Let him take some line. Oh. There we go. Caught up in the zip. Tagging my zipper a bit. It wasn't a huge one. I'm right in the weeds here, though. I really gotta get it in a shallow area. You really have to know your lake. Sometimes there can be those hidden rocks, and they can tear bottom of a boat apart, or a canoe, or anything. And sometimes they can get really quite sharp. A lot of boats. There's 1, 2 kayaks, 3 kayaks, another fishing boat. I thought I saw a couple paddle boats. Man, oh man, is it ever loaded with people in this lake today. This weekend, actually, it was really quite full of people. Just from the long weekend that we just had. No, I tried throwing a buzzbait there yesterday. It wasn't really worth it. I did have a big one swipe at it once, but that was in the white color. It was a straight king. It was one of the smaller ones. One of the smaller ones they make. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! That's a mocha, baby. As, what's his face would say. Whoa. Wow. Oh, baby. That was surprising more than anything. Oh, this is a nice one. Get in there. Oh, baby, baby, baby. That was intense. Oh, if I got that, well, part of it on camera. I have my line in the water a little bit. He came up and just destroyed it. Wow. I saw the rod go down. I didn't know what was going on. Oh my god. Whew. That's just I was saying about that last night, about the sport of fishing. You never know what's going to happen. I think that's why I like it so much. There we go. Once again, folks, go get yourself a Strike King net. Not one of those kinds with the really small holes in it, but one with big holes and something that you can easily get the hooks out of. Sometimes it can be a pain. Alright. He wasn't as big as I thought he was, but still a decent smallmouth bass. Decent little guy. Hit it unexpected, really unexpected. But look at the colors on him. I mean, beautiful. Beautiful fish this time of year. Nice fish. Hit hard. Fought hard. About a pound and a half, I'd say. Just a little guy. Not really, but. There he goes. He took one, and down he went. Whew. Alright. Woodsman 500. Stay tuned.